Want to perform a deeper malware check on your Windows PC? Windows Security includes a full scan that checks files and running programs across your system. In this guide, I'll show you how to start it, monitor the scan, and review the results. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app from the results to open the Security dashboard. Inside Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Current Threats, you'll see information about your latest scans and any detected threats. Now select Scan Options. You'll see several scanning choices available on your PC. Choose Full Scan, then select Scan Now to begin the deeper check. Windows Security will now examine files and running programs across your system. A full scan can take considerably longer than a quick scan, especially if you have a lot of files. So, be patient and let Windows finish the process. You can generally continue using your computer while the scan runs, but performance may be affected. If possible, avoid demanding tasks until the scan is complete. You can also leave the computer running while the scan finishes. When the full scan finishes, Windows Security will display the results. If no threats are found, you'll see that no current threats were detected. If Windows identifies something suspicious, open the result and review the recommended action before making changes. For additional details, open Protection History. Here, you can review previous detections and actions taken by Windows Security. If you don't recognize a detected file, don't restore or allow it unless you're certain it's safe. If a genuine threat is detected, follow the recommended action shown by Windows Security. Depending on the detection, Windows may recommend removing or quarantining the item. Afterward, you can run another scan to make sure the system is clean. And that's how to run a full scan in Windows Security. It's a useful option when you want a more thorough check than a quick scan. Keep your security updates current and run deeper scans whenever you have a reason to suspect a problem.